parked up. Now time to lower the front legs, disconnect the truck and auto level. Turn on the landing leg control panel, and then we're going to scroll up to drop front jacks, and then press enter to send the front legs down. Whilst they're going down, we want to lower the inner leg on both sides, as well as apply the handbrake. Walking out the other side and lowering the tailgate. So now disconnect the electrics and trail them over the tailgate out the way. And then open the latch and pull out the handle. With the cables out the way and the handle out, we can pull forward with the truck. Truck's out the way, so we're just going to coil the cables up before we auto level. So now the nice and easy part is to level the van. So turn on the control panel and press the one big button that says auto level, and away you go. Now the Celtic Rambler's all levelled, we need to now plug the electric, connect the water, send the slide out, and then drink whatever you got in the fridge. Thanks for watching. When you come to collect one of our fifth wheels, we'll give you complimentary nights on our campsite, the Rialp Country Park. We'll go through all the inside and out so you get a full in-depth training on how everything works. When we go through the unhooking and hooking on process, we also give you a guide sheet to follow when we're not there.